Fujifilm asked us to test out the brand new GFX100 Mark II. This all-new large format camera now has some game-changing features, and we're going to test them on a challenging shoot we designed called Poetry in Motion.
All right, let's roll.
On this shoot, we have 3 professional ballet dancers. We'll shoot photo and video under constant light, in strong backlight, and outside in the dark with staged rain. For this shoot, we'll work under colored constant light. I'm loving this new tactile body design. Without the grip, it's more like the size of the X-T5, which is smaller and fits great in the hand. We're shooting handheld and testing the new 8-stop in-body stabilization that works in combination with image stabilizing lenses.
Wow, that's so nice. Straight out of the camera.
Perfect. All right. So Zora's shooting 80mm, so this is going to be basically nice and tight headshot, a lot of fall off, f1.7, so really going to sharp as the tack on the eyes and things just fall away behind.
That's it.
Chin up a little bit. Give us a bit of head tilt, so a bit of attitude, that's it. Perfect. All right, let's bring it in. So Claire, you come back here with me first, and you can have a look on the back of the screen, gives you an idea. So we're here, but I'm going to be doing a lot of this sort of stuff here. We're coming in like this sort of thing. So we're going to basically sort of knee, top of head, arm. Yeah, okay, that's everything's mid-tone.
That's brilliant.
Like, I reckon we're golden. So
Yep.
roll on, brother. I think we'd take some hands. Yeah, hands are on offer. And then hold a position, Mel. I'm going to come in on you. Naturalize your position. It's great, yeah. How'd it look?
I think it looked amazing.
The focus is wild, but locking onto eyes and things like that's really amazing. And the look at f1.7
Oh
is
man, the
far
fall
out.
off is just beautiful.
It is, isn't it? So
Yeah,
it's three-dimensional.
really beautiful.
So that's really good. So now what do you want to do?
Let's go handheld.
Handheld, come
Yep.
in nice and tight, move things around, see what the ibis can do.
Yep.
All right, let's roll. Look up. Then roll away off him. Guys, photos only, photos only.
That is so beautiful.
Great, keep going. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it looks so good.
Very cool.
Thank you. That was brilliant. But don't be afraid to go fast because we're shooting we're shooting fast, so we'll catch you.
Go for it. Yeah, a couple of glory moves right in there, right where you are in the middle of that frame there. Just in there, I'll take them. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, that's it.
Perfect.
Well done. All right, action. Amazing. That rim's really nice.
Yeah, it is. I really like it.
Closer to the window, Mel. Yeah, that's great. One more. Yep.
Perfect.
That's
That's beautiful.
Fantastic. This last sequence here, we use this GF55 1.7, which is super quick. And when you're kind of chasing a bit of light, it's just like turning the lights on. Incredible. And razor thin depth of field, but it really held that focus. We have some shots here that are incredible. What did you think?
I thought it was amazing. The way it captured just that subtle glow was just really, I think in post, it's going to be fun to see what these come
They
out.
look really, really good.
Yeah.
You know, the other thing as well, it didn't occur to me there, but that was at 55mm with the IBIS on, steady as a rock and very predictable, but the video as well looked amazing. So to be able, we shot that in 4K 60 frames, so it's going to look amazing.
For the final ultimate test, we're going dark and getting wet, placing our dancers in the rain as we capture photo and video in this challenging shoot.
Yeah, that's what we want.
That's really nice.
It's on! And then, Zora, you have key light.
I've got the key light.
All right, guys, in the middle, do what you do.
There's not a second to waste, with just a few moments to capture some magic before our dancers get hypothermic. And we do mean magic.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
For us, the standout features of this camera have been the extraordinary image quality of the all-new 102 megapixel large format CMOS 2 HS sensor, allowing us to capture and recover every detail, even in the most difficult conditions. The new X Processor 5 with AI subject detection autofocus that's just so fast and precise. And finally, the new 8K30, 4K60 and 422 ProRes internal video recording to CF Express card. A complete game changer for high quality content creation. We look forward to new challenges and possibilities with this camera.
She's drowning. She's drowning. Cut.